Hello, today I'm going to show you how to open and close your Mazda CX-5 in different styles with your remote control. First step, it's really easy to open and close your car by using your remote control. You have three buttons. The bottom button is for the boot lid. If you are using one of the upper and medium keys, you can see you can open all doors or close all doors on your Mazda. This is the upper buttons. Now the bottom button. If you keep and hold this button, you are able to open and close your boot lid. This is easy, isn't it? And it's so comfortable to use this remote control. So you have more. There is a special key built in. This is the auxiliary key, and this is for the manually open and close your car. All doors. Here you can see, rotate right turn, it will open all doors of your car. And if you go left, it will close it. This is the emergency key. You have a transmitter on your remote control and an auxiliary key. And it's keyless. So that means you have a button on the lever of the door side. Then if you push this button, you are able to open and close the door of your car too, as you can see. It's really easy. But you have to get your car inside the area of your the remote has to be in an area around your car. Here I will show you. We're going approximately 3 meters away from the car, and we are not able to use the keyless function. That's really easy, and this is the keyless entry. You can use your remote, and if you're standing near the car, for your keyless entry system. On the boot lid here, you can see there is a button under the Mazda logo, and two buttons are there. And under the cover, you can see another button. This button is to close your boot lid, and the other button outside is to open the boot lid. That's an awesome and easy to use option, as you can see. And it is multifunction, as you can see. If you push it, the boot lid will stop immediately, open or close way. This is the safety thing behind this system. And there is more. On the right side, you can see a button too. This button, if you have your keyless go or keyless remote control system near you or near the car, you're able to close and open all doors of your Mazda by pushing this button on the right side. Here you can see I push it and we will close our system. Yeah, nice, isn't it? You can see there is a button on the lever of the passenger side too to open and close the system. This is a keyless entry system. It's easy to use and it's so nice and comfortable to get in your car and to close your car while using the remote control key. There is a button left side of your steering wheel, and this button you can use for the boot lid too. By pushing it, you can open. Keep pushing for 1 second. This is enough. And the boot lid will open immediately. Easy, isn't it? Oh yeah. And the closer way is the same. You only have to push again. Nice. So, this was how to open and close your trunk area. So, again, push, hold, and it goes down. The ignition should be on, and it works easily. So that is nice. In interior style, there is a little button area too in the opening lever of your passengers and on the driver's side, which you can use to open the car from the interior side. Yeah, and this will work all day long, no problem. You have a second option. If you go and push twice the close button on your remote, this will the second close option. This means you cannot open after you use your remote 2 times pushing. You cannot open the car from the interior side. You can only open your car with a remote key or with a special key, built-in key, with the auxiliary key from the outside. That is the secure lock system to prevent from stealing your car. This you can enable with an auxiliary key too. If you go and use your key from the outside and close the car and do this another time in 3 seconds. Then we have the second close option enabled too, and nobody can escape from the interior of your car. Of course, you cannot go from or open it from the outside too. Okay? You can only open it by using your remote key. Keyless or with the remote key buttons. Here we are again, 2 times on the close button, 2 times. Now we are enable. No, and your car is more safety. Oh yeah. Next thing. Here you can see I'm inside. The double security level is now enabled and I cannot open from the entire way of your car. Oh. Now it's better to have one outside to let me out of this car. But this is a 2 times closing option, the super security option to close your car and disable the possibility to get out of the car from the interior side. But this is dangerous. If you are in the car and enable this, you cannot evacuate. Not so good. Anybody has to unlock it from the outside and you're able to get out of the car. You can manually close your car system or your lock system by pushing this knob. If you can see the red thing, it's open. And if you push the button, it will close automatically. But if you closed it, you can go from the inside to the outside, no problem, as you can see. You can use your driver setup menu in the main computer, and then you can switch to some lock system options. Automatically locking of the doors. You can keyless. You can adjust the keyless sound level. Automatically shut down of your locks in seconds and walk away locking. And of course you can reset the setup too. This is in your computer system. In this computer system you have to start the remote. No, not the remote, you have to start your car. The ignition has to be on. Go to your car setup and then door setups. Here you can see this is it's dark out there, and I'm about 70 meters away from the car, and I can still use the remote control to open and close the car. And the coming home option, which we set up enabled, that will get on the lights a little bit for a better finding of your car. Here you can see I open the car and it's dark out there, and at the rear side you can see some lights. In the front side the main beam will go on to see where is your car. This I like really much. These are nearly all key options on your Mazda CX-5 which you can use by using the remote control key with keyless go or with keyless entry system. And of course, it's able to get with your keys into the trunk. So you can see the lights is switched off automatically after a couple of seconds. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.